Well, the plan today is to try to move this pile right here over to that pile over there using pallet forks on the tractor. The only reason we're moving this pile from here over to there is so we can burn it all, and I don't really want to burn this pile right here because we got trees above here and I don't want to catch that stuff on fire. I might try to filter out some of this big stuff just because I could turn this into firewood and don't really want to waste all this good wood here. But yeah, hopefully we can kind of filter this out with the pallet forks. Let's go ahead and start moving this stuff. All right, well, got a lot of it over there. Some of the stuff I was planning on keeping. It's so wet, I don't think it's worth keeping for firewood. This is the pile over here that I saved. Not really sure if it's worth saving, but I don't know. That's a pretty decent amount of firewood, so I thought I might as well keep it, and it's nice and dry. Forks are having a little bit of a hard time picking some of this smaller stuff up. I thought maybe I could take the forks and move them in closer so we could pick up some of these smaller logs. But I'm thinking instead of that, I'm just gonna go ahead, take the forks off, put on the bucket, and push the rest of this stuff over to that pile. Alright, well, that turned out pretty good. As you can see, it's pretty flat here. Moved a teeny bit of dirt as I was pushing, but surprisingly, I actually didn't get too much. As you can see, these weeds and stuff didn't get pulled out of the ground, so that's good. That's what I'm talking about. See, a little bit of dirt mixed in with some sticks and stuff, so probably gonna let that dry out for maybe a week or so. Then we can probably go ahead and try to burn all that. And right there is the wood I saved. So went and got the small chainsaw here, MS 180C, and we're gonna go ahead and chop this up and throw it in the bucket and go dump it over there. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright y'all, well, just got all this wood chopped and moved over here. Decent bit of firewood there, make for a pretty decent fire, so I'm glad I saved some of that dry wood that we moved over there. Starting to look pretty good over here. As you can see, the old pile is right there that we moved over there. This side, starting from about right there to about where I'm standing, all this side's gonna be garden, so this side is way down on the priority list. Next thing we gotta do is possibly get a log splitter and split all this into firewood. And if we don't have time for that, then probably just gonna have to move all these somewhere over there. And also what we need to do is cut out this corner of woods right here. As you can see, it's cleared all the way to here, and straight through there is the other end that is cleared out where we're going to put the goats. So I just want to chop out this little corner right here. Shouldn't take too long, so you guys might see that in the next video. So after we do that, we should have a pretty decent area here to put up a fence and bring the goats down here. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed, and I will see y'all in the next one.